In this video, we're overclocking the Intel Xeon 658X 24-core processor all the way up to 5.1 GHz using the ASUS Pro WS-W890 Sage SE motherboard and custom loop water cooling. I'll speedrun you through the BIOS settings and provide some notes and tips along the way. Please note that this is for entertainment purposes only and not the whole picture. Don't outright copy these settings and apply them to your system. If you want to learn how to overclock this CPU, have a look at the longer SkatterBencher version that's already up on this channel. Alright, let's do this. When you've entered the BIOS, switch to the AI Tweaker menu. Set Performance Preferences to ASUS Advanced OC Profile. This sets a number of BIOS options that help with overclocking, including some that overrides Intel's default parameters. Set AI Overclock Tuner to XMP. This lets us rely on the Intel XMP Profile 3.0 technology and makes our memory run at its rated speed of DDR5 6400. Set ASUS Multi-Core Enhancement to Enable to remove all limits 90 degrees Celsius. That will unleash the Turbo Boost 2.0 power limits and lets the CPU run at unlimited power indefinitely, while still maintaining a maximum temperature of 90 degrees Celsius. Set CPU core ratio to by core usage. That allows us to configure the overclock for different scenarios ranging from one active core to all active cores and enables us to run the cores significantly faster when there's more performance headroom. Enter the by core usage submenu. That gives us access to the Turbo Boost 2.0 ratio configuration. Set turbo ratio limit 1 to 8 to 51. Leave the by core usage submenu. Set global core ISVIT voltage to adaptive mode. In adaptive mode, the P-cores rely on its factory-fused voltage-frequency curve to use the appropriate voltage at a given ratio. Each core has its own VF curve. We can use the global adaptive voltage to set the maximum voltage for each core in one go. This voltage is mapped to each core's OC ratio, which usually is the highest configured ratio. For this system, that's 51x for every core, following our by-core usage configuration. Set additional turbo mode CPU core voltage to 1.235. That defines the highest VF point for every core's voltage frequency curve to 51x at 1.235 volt, which is about 150 millivolt higher than the default maximum voltage for most P-cores. Set offset mode sign to minus. Set offset voltage to 0.05. That undervolts the entire VF curve for each P-core by 50 millivolt, including the voltage defined for the OC ratio. So the highest voltage at 51x is now 1.185 volt instead of the previously configured 1.235 volt. Then save and exit the BIOS. We rerun some benchmarks to ensure everything is working as intended and check the performance increase compared to the default settings. Higher is better, and all of our benchmark results are higher. The highest core clock reported in the operating system is 5.1 GHz. When running the OCCT CPU SSE stability test, the average CPU core effective clock is 4886 MHz with 1.088 volts. The average CPU temperature is 90 degrees Celsius. The average system power is 568.3 watts. And that's it. I thank you for watching, the YouTube members and the Patrons for their continued support, and see you next time.